Next, go to door setup. We have many door options, but presently this one support only one door, so we can go for door number 1 and make some settings. Authority, timer, time zone, holiday, and application set is like user group. So first we go for timer. We can set the timings. For example, from 8 to 18 is ID number 1, 8 to 10 ID number 2, 13 to 15 ID number 3. Likewise, we have 34 time frames. So we can set the time here at the timer. Then go to time zone. Time zone, we have option 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Likewise, we have 64. So we can set the timer here. For example, 02 we set at the timer as 8 to 18. So we can specify 0 to 2, 02, 03 is from 8 to 10 at the timer we set, and 04 is from 13 to 15 at the timer we set. So we can just set the time here. Escape. Holiday, you can set holiday, month and date pattern, and type we have up to 0 to 7, 8 holiday types. We can select 0, 0, 0, 1, or it is user defined, so you can define it on your own. This one is application set. It means the user group number 0 goes on Sunday. 63 time zone says that user is not allowed at any time. That defines the time zone 63. So on Sunday, none of the user can enter the door. So if you want to set some timings at the Monday, then go for Monday. Then set the timer 01, or from 0 to 63 we have timer. You can select which timer you want to select for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. This is for authority. Then for control mode, this is for only one door setup. Entry type, we can have card, pin, or card and pin option. We can select this one according to your use. Sensor type, this one is only one door support, so no sensor type. Button type is you're using connecting NO, normal open, normal close, or null. You can select, it is predefined. Door open time, we can select up to 254 seconds. We have option, you can select the door open time. And door close time also from 0 to 254 seconds we can select. Duress pin, you want to have any Duress pin, you can select, you can set old password. Then if the old password is no, then just escape. Access pin, if you want to have any common pin for all the user, you can have a common pin here. Enter the common pin, and then pin application user. So you can set which user want to use this common pin. That one you can do here. You want on or off pin application set user. This is all at the door setup.